back with another video, baby. Let's get it. If y'all watched my previous video, y'all know my boy just got a brand new Daytona. Yellow jacket. That joint is so fire. That's one of my favorite colors, man. If I was able to get my wide body in that color, I would have went yellow jacket. I'm not even gonna lie. I probably wouldn't even have thought about hell raising. Y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail, man. He getting his exhaust done today, so. And he's doing something a little different than I see most Scat Packs doing, or the 6.4s doing, or the Daytonas doing. So he's doing race bullets, which I've never heard. I've never heard how a race bullet sounds before. I've always just heard him do straight pipe. So I might go meet up with him right now. We're gonna drive to the spot. He gonna get the mufflers put on, yada yada. We're gonna get the whole process. We're gonna get the sound. We're gonna get the startup, because he haven't even started his car today. So he looked out for me by just waiting on me, and just told him that I want to get that cold start one last time before you get the race bullets put on. So we on our way over there right now, man. Let's get it. Let's go. Let me know what y'all think about that last video too, man. I had a lot of fun with the boys, man. We went out to some restaurant in Buffalo. It was a nice drive, bro. Everybody was just having a good time. We was all just chilling. Know what I'm saying? It was a bunch of cool people. Nobody just trash talking. Everybody just cool. It was a good time. These little streets with these tight areas, man. Ooh, look at that thing looking crazy. Oh my God, it looks so good sitting right there though. Yeah, my boy did that was a great choice, son. Great choice. I've been trying to help him find the right car for I think at least 2-3 months, bro. Like he just been like, yo, you think I should get this one? You think I should get that one? And I'm just like, yo, you know what I'm saying? It's your car, bro. Like get the one you think you gonna fall in love with. He sent me this one. I'm like, don't get nothing else. Get this one. Get the yellow, bro. Nobody in the town really got yellow. Nobody really got the Daytona. And he was like, I was like, yo, bro, just get the yellow. Get the yellow hard. And he ended up getting the yellow, bruh. Cause it was this one. It was a red SRT and something else. I was like, nah, don't get none of those, man. Get the yellow. Get the yellow. And mainly because I really wanted the yellow, but at the same time, it just looks so good, bro. It looks so good. Why it looks so good though? That joint is so stupid. He should be coming out in a minute. We're gonna get this last cold start. Give me some B-roll footage. What's good though, bro? Before we head out, I'm gonna just get that cold start and some B-roll. Bro, I was just telling him, bro, you made the perfect choice, bro. You made the perfect choice, bro. This thing crazy. You ready though for the exhaust, bro? Yeah, man. Ready for that thing to have some little noise?
Been waiting.
Oh yeah, it's time. It's time. It's definitely time. That joint too quiet. Yeah, let me see him. That's what you're getting put on, right? The race bullets? Oh, you got some heat. Oh, I seen it. Hold on. I see the kicks. Oh, I got the heat. Oh, okay. Damn. These shits is brolic too. So these are supposed to just make a lot more noise. Well, obviously it's gonna restrict a little bit, but it's gonna make it a little louder too, instead of making it raspy.
Yeah, that's
hard.
A full straight pipe would do that.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know if I really want that.
Yeah, you don't want the raspiness, like especially over here in this area. You don't want the raspiness, bro.
Like the V8 that we got.
Yeah, that's why I ain't do my mufflers, because I don't want the raspiness and I don't want it to be crazy loud.
I low-key, after I see your shit shoot fire,
you might have to do it. We about to head out. Y'all see what's going on. Yo, I'm in love with this car and it's not even mine, bro. not even my car. That's how you know I'm happy for my people, bro. Like, he started off as a subscriber. We met up. He ended up being mad cool, whatever. So shit, we just been cooling, linking and whatever. And it's just like I'm so happy for him, bro, because he been searching for this car so long. He been searching for this car so long, and now that the fact that he finally got it, bro, and it's just a good thing to see, bro. Like the people that support me, bro, and I support them, and then once you show them how to do something, how to do something, the right time to do it, and how to go about it, you see them come out with stuff like this. Like, he got this car, he got his dream car, bro, and that's crazy to me. Like, I really help somebody get their dream car, bro, and that may not seem that may not seem like a big thing to y'all, but to me, giving them mad information, giving them the tools to find out how to get your payments, your interest rates, all that good stuff, how to work with the dealers, like, that all matters, bro, and helping somebody get their dream car. And he got his, man. He went all the way out to New York City and got his joint. It's just crazy. Like, I literally watched him go from just like, alright, I'm gonna get this car to alright, bro, I'm ready. Like, I'm saying, I'm about to get rid of my old car, I'm gonna get this one, and that's how we gonna do it. It's just crazy just seeing it, like, but what I'm telling y'all, this only the beginning though. Like, once I get to the point where I feel like I just got everything set up for, like, everything for YouTube, I got the right equipment, I'm pretty good on my camera and stuff, but once I actually get settled on, like, really focus on my channel, bro, it's over. Like, we're gonna have crazy cars on the channel. I'm gonna have crazy cars on the channel. It's just, I just gotta work some things out, and we gonna be good money, y'all. Like, it's just crazy, but we riding out to the shop right now, man. This shit looks so fucking clean, bro. So it look like we here right now. I didn't even know it was a shop over here, unless he getting it done through his old job at Cortez. Or maybe he coming over here to look at a car. I'm not sure what he doing. They got hella wide body scat pad. Ooh, look at that. Yo, that cinnamon stick is fire. I was wondering why you was coming over. I'm like, yo, he must be coming to look at a car.
Bro, 61.
61? Yeah, that's a lot, bro. I mean, you got, I ain't gonna hold you though, since 2015 though, they've been going up in price since 2015 though.
Just got the cruise control, that flat bottom, seen the new steering wheel?
Oh wait, they giving a flat bottom to the Scat Packs now?
Yeah. This is right here.
Oh shit. Oh, they got the, it's got the same carbon fiber shit mine got too.
Oh shit.
And oh
this
shit.
Out, yeah.
And it's got the okay. Damn, no, honestly, that's not too bad. How much is it? 51?
61.
61? I don't know, bro.
That's too much.
That's almost Hellcat. I ain't gonna lie to you though, this thing look good though. It look good. I ain't gonna hold you. I would lease it. I would definitely lease it.
Lease is rough.
Lease probably 500, 550.
If
yeah.
you put like 5K down.
Nah, if you had good credit, you gotta get the right, honestly, it just mattered about the right dealer. You gotta get the right dealer, honestly. You just gotta get the right dealer. Right dealer, no bullshit, and you probably 550, 600. 550, 600.
Out the door?
Out the door, yeah. With a decent dealer, 550, 600. You shouldn't have to pay no more than that. I mean, it's not bare bottom though. This got every option. I mean, it's got the sunroof, this got the Alcantara, it's got the carbon fiber, it's got the Harman Kardon. Yeah, this pretty much got every option, bro. So this is gonna be up there. This definitely probably like a 600, 650 payment. Yeah. A fully loaded Hellcat gonna cost you like 800 to 950. Right. So that's a decent range, I would say, for this. Yo, they got a lot of these. They got a lot of these smoke shows though. These shits is hard. I like these smoke shows, bro. Yeah, I knew he wasn't coming over here to get his exhaust on, but yeah, that cinnamon stick is so clean, bro. Even the smoke show nice too. I'm feeling those new two colors. Those might be the two best colors to me. The top three might be That Smoke Show, Hell Raisin, and Cinnamon Stick. I think them the top 3 colors, bro. Them colors is so fire. Like, them probably the best colors they could have came out with in a minute too. All we need now is that lime green color back. We'll be good if we had that lime green color back. Either sublime green or gold green, whatever which one they want to bring back, because that'll complete the color palette to me, honestly. You just need a green in there. You need a real nice green. They got the F8 green, but it's dark. Don't get me wrong, the F8 green is a beautiful color too, but you need a green that pops too. You need a green that pops, man. So hopefully they throw a green in the next couple years, or the new generation they throw a green in there, because we need a green, bro. We need a green. We need a hot green too. All right, so I think we headed to grab some gas, and then we're gonna be at the shop. Listen, man, if y'all don't got y'all one, get y'all a charger, man. Join the club, man. We doing our thing out here, and we're gonna be doing it all spring, all summer, bro. So get y'all a charger, man. Roll with us. I don't care if it's a V6, 4-banger, whatever it is. Come roll with us, man. We chilling. Chargers don't even come in 4-bangers. I don't even know why I said that. Bro, they about to get it in now, or what you gotta wait?
20 minutes, he said.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Doing a flex pipe right now on some car.
Bet.
I guess that's fucked up.
Yeah, this shit. When I see you going down, I'm like, nah, I'm gonna do a U-turn real quick. That shit got hella mud. Damn. Yeah, he gonna have to back out, so he might as well move it. Yeah, I'm ready to hear this shit, bro. I'm ready to hear it. Yeah, finally going in, man. Yo, I swear to God, we need a discount. You see all this goddamn mud? Damn, I choose the wrong sneakers. I never really put on no shoes. I always got on Crocs. And one day I put on some nice sneakers. Fucking in the mud. It's crazy. All right, now let's get a difference before he change it out. Ooh, that thing is quiet, bro. It's so quiet. That's no way. Damn, I'm telling you, them mufflers hold back so much air, bro. Hold back so much. Yo, I can't believe how quiet it is, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. It sound quieter than a regular Scat Pack. Cause Charger 17 Scat Pack is loud. Yes, in his stock.
He got 20. Did they change it?
Oh, he do got a 20. You might have, yeah, that might be right. He do have a 20. How much was those?
25 a piece.
25 a piece, one on each side. That's not bad. 50 bucks. And those are the same ones Rocco had, right?
Yeah, on the Scat.
On the Scat Pack?
Put that onto his Daytona. I don't think he had it on the Hellcat.
Okay. We got the Track Hawk. Yeah, we got the Track Hawk in the group. Got the Hellcat. We got the Daytona. Got a Scat. And we literally got everything other than the Durango.
Yeah. Need a TRX. Oh, he saw one on the highway driving next to him.
Oh, for real? In Buffalo?
Yesterday. He took a picture of it and sent it to me.
I still don't know who got that black one from the
I think it's black.
From Marina.
Syracuse.
From Marina.
He lives in Syracuse.
Oh, okay.
Insurance. He owns an insurance company. At last.
That's one muffler down already. One down already.
Key in it? No,
he got it. Ooh, yeah, that sounds way better. Way better. Way better, bro.
Sounds good.
Yeah, that sounds way better. Damn, I should have got your reaction. Damn. Yeah, that sounds good. Even that idle, that sounds way better. Yeah.
It'll sound better too when I plug your batteries back in. I had to unplug them to drop the exhaust.
Oh, okay.
Right now, for the, you know,
the pops. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, nah, that sounds way better.
So the baffles reduce the sound, right?
Nah, the baffles give you that, like when you let off, it pop out the small pops. Yeah.
it opens with RPM too.
Yeah.
With the track mode, it leaves it fully open.
Fully open, yeah.
That's why I need that taser.
Yeah, nah, that shit sound good, bro. Yeah, I think I'm about to order that red eye hood, bro.
Yeah, bro.
I think it's time.
I'm gonna buy you.
I think it's time.
Don't worry about that. Got that covered.
Sound better. That boy got a new car now. Yeah, that sound way better. Appreciate it, boss man. Thank you.
No problem.
This sounds 10 times better. 10 times better. Oh my God. That motherfucker sound good. Damn, I might have to do that. Yeah, that shit sound good. So this the race bullets, right? And they were 25 a piece? I think I'm about to get the same thing. Swear to God. I think I'm gonna take my mufflers off and get the same thing. Alright, so I let them jump in my shit real quick so I can see the difference. That shit is loud though. You got it in custom? Double tap. That's right. Oh yeah, you can do that too. All right. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Never mind. It's not louder. It's not louder. It's not louder. So I gave him the key to the Hellcat. He got the red key too, man. I know we don't carry that black key, man. We don't do that. So I'm gonna let him do a couple pulls because I want to hear it. I never really heard my supercharger outside of my car. Motherfucker look good and she dirty. She still look good. Ooh, my brakes. Oh, damn. Yeah, it's louder.